What is going on, Money Squad? Happy New Year, y'all. Y'all check it out. Boys in the Hood, straight out of Shoe Palace, Waikiki. They got dope merchandise. Y'all check y'all local Shoe Palaces out. 2 for $22. Boys in the Hood, DMX, Snoop Dogg, all types of stuff. Death Row Records. Hey, y'all should be paying me for that Shoe Palace. Y'all just got a free promo. But shout out to everybody. And we about to kick out Who Has the Heat Season 7, Saturday, 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 Central, 4 Pacific, 5 Mountain, all of that good stuff. 2 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. So yes, I will be early. And we're going to have a double header for y'all. We're going to have Struggle and Chaotic up first, followed by St. John's and AJOC, along with the Family Lamb, 313 Retro Queen, McFly KOF in the building. Make sure y'all go follow each of them on each of the channels, and make sure y'all follow us on Who Has the Heat. We need to get it up to 500 subscribers. Yes. So go over there and subscribe. Do it now. Now for the meat and potatoes, because I don't get that much EA, but I appreciate y'all, Nike, for this. I really appreciate y'all. I had to put in my code again and everything, and I actually was able to hit. They gave me 1 hour. You know, I guess Nike, y'all might have some love for your boy E, because y'all know I like a certain silhouette. Yes, it comes out Saturday, so I'm a couple days early, and here it is. Air Jordan 4 Retro supposed to release last year, kept getting pushed back. Colorway, black, multicolor. Suggested retail price, $190 them thing. But with my military discount, I got it for $170. $170. As you can see, it should come like so. This is probably one of the last few of the shoes, because it was supposed to drop last year. That's going to be $190. Y'all already know they putting that extra $10 on shoes releasing next year. So you're looking at $200, $220, $230, $240, $250. All right, look at it coming like so. It's all red in here. You see it. And we got the paperweight like so. This is the right inches aside I like to do, and voila. Matter of fact, you know what? I'm gonna take both of these joints out. I smell it. Blang! Red Thunder, Crimson Red 4s on deck. Y'all see it? It kind of got that nubuck, like the almost like the Raptor 4, but you can see a little bit. But it's a good cut of nubuck though. Believe you me, but you know we got to do the smell test. Satisfaction guaranteed. But I must say, looking at these, you know I like to collect all 4s, but it's much better in hand. But I probably would still, out of the 4s, Thunders, this will probably be last on deck still, because this red underneath the netting, I just don't know about that. I'm still bothered by that. Something's gotta give on that. But I mean, other than that, I don't know, we're gonna figure it out. But let's get into it. Underneath, herringbone traction, pop out stars, white Jumpman, as you can see it like that. Look at that new buck. Kind of got that linen lint. Like I said, it ain't quite as ashy as the Raptor 4s, but yeah, you got that. You see you got your netting right there. You got your waffles right here, your laces, your white Jumpman right there. And you can see a little red coming over here. As you already know, 3, 4, 5, 6 with your air units, with the Tinker Hat feel. As you can see, you got your straps on here coming around. Like I said, I don't know. If I get all up, I might try to do that black under there. Something just, I mean, you pretty much almost, you can say this shoe is almost like the Raptor if you really want to keep it a buck, right? It's almost like the Raptor. Now, as you can see this netting, look at it. It barely comes in the straps, right? You get some that come back here. Now you got to pay attention to this. So if you see it like this, I'm giving you up close and personal, then you should be good on your pair. It shouldn't be coming all the way back here, because on the Thunders it come a little bit far back on the Yellow Thunder. So that's something you got to pay attention to. All right, now you can see the stitching. Stitching is pretty good. Coming around on the back, you got the waffles. Now everybody says the shoe look better with Nike Air on the ass. It does, but every shoe doesn't require that, and I don't think this shoe should have it. Underneath here as well, you got your normal Air Jordan upside down with your infrared hits. Another thing that bothers me, I think this should either been black or red in there. Just a nice. So I know it's petty. People shouldn't be looking too close to your shoes, but look kind of off there. The paint not bad on the shoe. Maybe see a little imperfection. You probably can't see it. I don't know, but it's there. Trust me. You got your factory laces. I went more true to size on this with size 10. Definitely wouldn't recommend balling in these. These are more like a lifestyle shoe, so you can see your shoe tree, 10 to 10 and a half. Production dates on these joints now they might vary because it took them so long. And I got 2 pair of Lightnings. I got different production dates. So this one is 4/14/21 to 6/23/21. So as I said, they were delayed. Some stores had them, some stores didn't. I supposed to have these on Monday, but hey, you can only do what you can do. Shipping is delayed and all of that good stuff. But I mean, just look at it. I don't know how it looks on camera. Like I said, other than that, I mean, it's pretty much a bread, but not really. But you got your crimson. But I mean, yeah, black and red, can you go wrong with that? So yeah, it's going to take some, for those of you who are sitting on the fence, it's probably going to take you some time to warm up to this shoe. Some people think this shoe is ass, and I can understand why. I mean, like I said, if you really want to keep it, I should have brought out that Raptor 4, and you'll see how close they are as in how the building. And actually, I just noticed this is actually nubuck around this too. Sometimes it's nylon, but now this is nubuck around this thing. Thank goodness they didn't add an extra $10 on this shoe. I mean, but overall, y'all, it's okay. But like I said, I had to have it in collection nonetheless, because y'all know more often than not, the shoe got to be really doo-doo, foo-foo, boo-boo for me to not collect those 4. So hey, there you have it. And I just noticed here on the little trim, you got some red going up here too, which is probably, I guess, a nice little add to this. So, you know, in 2022, for shoes you want to do, because I think the supplies is kind of low, you might want to just go ahead and cop and maybe sell it. Because now, with stuff being so low in demand, if you don't get the shoe and you miss, you're going to end up spending a lot more money. So one person even said they just copy every shoe they try to get off sneakers to actually trade for stuff that they like. So you got stuff like Trade Block and all that other stuff that you can do to actually help you get the shoes. So that is kind of makes sense if it's within your means, like I said. So with that being said, y'all let me know. Y'all gonna go after these, or there's a no look pass? They should be available, but please do your footwork and do what you got to do. Do not sleep on these shoes if you want them, because I don't think they're gonna be under retail for these. You probably end up paying at least $50 over for these shoes. So on the little lit meter, nothing spectacular. So I give it about a 4.5 out of 5. Like I said, out of the 4, this is probably the least one I like. But being that I like the 4 silhouette, I still had to cop them. So you guys let me know what you think about these, and we can chop it up in the comment section. Thanks for all the love and support. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Stay blessed. Peace.